So, hey everyone, welcome to my channel. And if you love tech unboxings and simple tips, you are in the right place. So, if your Instagram message request is not showing or the message request folder is missing, then don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how some easy ways to fix this problem. So, firstly, update the Instagram app. For this, open the Play Store. Now, at the bottom, tap on the search icon and search for Instagram. Now, update it if not. After this, go back to the home page and check. And if you still face the problem, then long press on the Instagram. Now tap on the eye icon. From here, click on storage and cache. Now tap on clear cache. Tap on clear storage. Tap on delete. Now go back to the previous page and tap on force stop. Click on OK and relog in the account. And after this, if you still face the problem, then open the Instagram app. Now, at the bottom right corner, tap on the profile icon. Now, at the top right corner, tap on the three horizontal lines. Now, scroll down and click on the help option. Now, click on report a problem. Click on report problem. Tap on include and continue. And here, describe your problem along with the screenshot of the problem. And after this, click on the sign option. And yeah, that's it. And if you find the information given in the video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more updates.